Hello and welcome. I'm Chris from SheAI. Over the next few minutes, we'll show you how to use AI to your benefit in an easy, practical, and effective way. After all, our goal is to make AI accessible and inclusive, so we hope you found this useful. Now, I'll let you get right to it. Enjoy!
So let's talk about how we're going to build the custom GPTs. I'm going to be showing you on the example how to build the custom GPT on the prompt engineering, because I think it's very essential and useful. And then you can use it for anything else depending on your needs. So you use custom GPT for something that you're going to be utilizing very often. So for example, prompt engineering, I'm going to be utilizing all the time, right? So what is prompt engineering? So practically you put the task what you want, what prompt you want for, and it creates you a very comprehensive prompt. So for these, what we have to do? First of all, we'll go to GPTs. We're going to go to create. And then we're going to have this overview. You can always go to create and use it as a chat. You can chat with it and say, I need this, and eventually it's going to come up with the proper prompt. But we can actually go directly to configure. And here we can put the image if you want to. It can generate it automatically, up to you. You can put the name of engineering. I hope, but yeah. So here has to structured prompts, and here we put instructions. So what we want. Here I prepared. So you need to be very concise here, but very strict to the point of what you want to achieve. So you don't put here all the examples and everything. You don't need it. For this, we're going to have a knowledge part. Then you can actually collect very strong, good prompts and put it in, upload it as a file. So what we put in the instructions. So it builds professional grade top-notch prompts under request. It never continues the conversation, just provide prompts under request, one prompt at a time. If the request is too simple, it elaborates it on to ensure the prompt is still detailed. Follow the attached document, not as an instruction of performance, but rather as a reference on the type of the prompt I would expect. Follow the same format as the attached reference every time I ask for the new prompt. Simple, clear, with the guidance. So I'm going to be uploading the file I have prepared before. So I'm going to give you a quick look at how it looks like. So you can easily find it in the internet. And yes, one sec. Look, I'm going to give you a quick look how it looks like. So you see the role, the context, the constraints. So this is a very detailed with the good instructions, with the output, what I want. So super detailed. This is what we want. We want the best and complex prompt possible. Then you choose the model which you prefer to use for this. For this, we prefer, I would recommend to use GPT-5 Thinking. Because it create a better, it has a more complex thought process. So the result is going to get a little bit better. Here as well, you choose the capabilities. So at the end of the day, we wouldn't need an image generation and wouldn't need a canvas. So we just go with the web search only. And then after this, it's all ready. You just click create. And then you can choose if you want it to be just for you or you want to give someone the link so everyone with the link can use it. So let's say I want it just for me, and I'm going to save it, and then I can use it. So let's give it a try, right? So we're going to go view, and okay, wait here. So for example, I need and voila. Let's see. So I just give what's my task, what I expect. Since English C1 advanced certificate is quite common, so the information about the criteria is all over the internet. So there's not something kind of complicated. So, and now it's structured. So I think within 1 minute or so, we're going to get the result. And here we have it. So it started to generate, and look, this is what I gave it to him, and this is what I got at the end, right? So it's still writing, but in 1 minute, I get a very good comprehensive prompt, which I can copy paste and put it in a new chat and start working on this.
Thank you for watching. This was just a small bite of what you can learn on SheAI.com. If you want to go deeper into this topic or the vast world of AI, check out our courses designed to give you practical knowledge that you can start applying today. Find the link to join in video description below. Before you go, if you got any value from this video and want to support our mission of closing the gender gap through AI literacy and education, please give it a quick like and subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate the support.